So this next panel is a bullet shield option. It's a level 1. This is what we were specifically asked to bring out. This is to test the UL protocol, 3 rounds, 9mm. All 3 rounds captured or absolutely destroyed. The spall isn't so much that you can't see out. Why don't we put another 3 in here? They're gonna put 5 rounds in each corner. That's 5 rounds stacked on top of each other, and just now starting to see some level of penetration. We have no penetration. You have expansion, and those are stacked on top of each other. This has far exceeded any UL standard, but we're gonna go up to the 44 Magnum. That's where all that energy dispersed to.
You're gonna shoot the 44 and a 9mm at the exact same time in the center of the plate.
Very effective. Would you like to see the back side of this? There's 0 penetration to it.